In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Zoom. If you want to update the image that appears with your Zoom account, the process is very quick and simple. Your profile picture is what other people may see in meetings, especially when your camera is turned off, so keeping it updated can help make your account look more professional and recognizable. To get started, open Zoom and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're inside the app, look for the Participant section. Go ahead and click on Participant. This is where you can access account-related options connected to your profile and meeting presence. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. After that, look for the three dots. These dots usually open a small menu with more options that aren't shown directly on the main screen. Click on the three dots to continue. If you don't immediately see them, just scan the area carefully, because depending on your version of Zoom or the device you're using, the layout may look slightly different. The option is usually easy to spot once you know you're looking for the More menu. When that menu opens, click on Edit Profile Picture. This will take you to the part of Zoom where you can update the image linked to your account. From there, you'll be able to choose a new picture and make changes as needed. If Zoom opens a browser window or redirects you to your profile settings online, that's completely normal. Just continue with the profile picture section and follow the prompts on the screen. As you choose your new image, try to pick a clear photo that represents you well. A centered image with good lighting usually works best, especially if you use Zoom for work, school, or meetings with new people. If cropping is available, adjust the frame so your face or main subject is clearly visible. Once you've selected and confirmed the image, your new profile picture should update on your Zoom account. Keep in mind that sometimes changes can take a short moment to appear across all devices or meetings, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly. And that's it. That's how to change your profile picture on Zoom.